A very warm hello and greetings to all automotive enthusiasts and Motor World India fans. आज आपके लिए लाए हैं Bajaj Pulsar. The Pulsar, which stands for the pulsating star, and this is the upgraded NS400, which is yet to be launched. To begin with, गाड़ी के looks देखते हैं from a 360-degree view. With quite a few clever touches, like for example, a hidden exhaust and an offset nitrox suspension monoshock with the gasket offset to the right, well within the swing arm. An interestingly nifty tail tidy, बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन है. Moving on, गाड़ी के जो टैंक के पैनल्स हैं वेरी फ्लश फिटेड. साइड फेयरिंग थोड़े एयर इनटेक के लिए दिए हुए हैं जो बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं. सीमिंगली एरोडायनामिक एज वेल. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली लुक्स के लिए देखिए फ्रंट फेंडर विच इज अ मॉक कार्बन फाइबर विद अ ब्लैक टॉप. मोरओवर आप आते हैं हेडलाइट की तरफ. क्वाइट इंट्रिगिंग. Now, नज़दीक से देखिए, this is a single projector setup with multiple LEDs on both sides, and now we'll turn it on, and there we go. Daylight में वैसे दिख नहीं रहा है, but you can see the DRLs how bright they are, even in the day. And when we turn on the headlight, interestingly, that's still an option for the projector. It is quite bright. गाड़ी के कंट्रोल्स, हैंडल बार, डिस्प्ले. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि इसके जो मिरर्स हैं आर एक्सट्रीमली स्टिफ. क्वाइट गुड डिजाइन. आप देखेंगे the display is quite nice, good to behold. Clever touches जैसे USB port with a spring loaded lid. See? And now moving on to the handlebar controls. आपके लेफ्ट साइड में है ये टॉगल सेट for all of the functions आपके डिस्प्ले पे. Your engine kill switch, start, hazard, headlamp. करेंगे ये देखिए. Now you can toggle this. It's quite intuitive. अगर आप देखेंगे, see. Vehicle info, Bluetooth connectivity है, trip mode, there's a lap timer for race, settings, etc. बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हैं जो बहुत इंट्यूटिव हैं. एंड आपको स्क्रॉल करते करते अपने आप टू योर फिंगर्स आ जाते हैं. And after the brief overview and a scenic look at the bike, let's head out to ride. Now, considering that this is a first ride, I couldn't do a detailed test like performance runs on a V-Box or a thorough inspection on the design versus implementation. Plus, बारिश था, so my hopes of a technical review got literally drenched. But चलाते वक्त फीलिंग एंड थॉट ज़रूर आती है कि क्या चेंजेस आए हैं हमारे बजाज में फ्रॉम द टाइम ऑफ द लॉन्च ऑफ द पल्सर ब्रांड इन 2001. 24 years later, modern tech and at 42.5 bhp. That's just 5 odd bhp more than a Maruti 800 from 2001. Which was for more or less the same price back then. Weird thought, yes, I know, but still. Now we can look at the overview of the key spec or specification differentiators from the existing road-going NS400 and this new one that I'm riding, which is the NS400 UG or upgrade. सबसे पहले सुपर बाइक्स जैसे राइड मोड्स दिए गए हैं इसमें विद एग्रेसिव मैप्स। आप अभी देखेंगे ये डिज़ाइन स्लैश चेंज स्पेसिफिकेशन समरीज। Interestingly, in the new version, performance figures of 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 are reduced by over 0.5 and 1.1 claimed seconds due to the new tune. सबसे main feature that may be aiding this perhaps is Bajaj का proprietary bi-directional quick shifter जो बिना सेंसर के काम करता है the shift lever. Yes, bi-directional, both up and down. A very nifty toy and full kudos to Bajaj for that. However, it can only be used on sport mode and road, rain and off-road modes में नहीं। ये मैप्स बताते हैं कि power delivery differences between the old NS and new. Interestingly, the throttle body angles in each map at the same throttle tube position जो आप ग्राफ में पहले देखे थे। Well, technically two graphs. One was on the power graph, another was on the throttle body versus throttle tube opening. Now, राइडिंग के समय कॉन्फिडेंस देने के लिए जो सबसे ज़रूरी फैक्टर्स होते हैं लाइक राइडर ज्योमेट्री टू द हैंडल बार एंड सीट एंड पेग्स जो बजाज ने pretty much spot on किया है, एंड टायर्स जो अब रेडियल से इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म along with a fatter rear tire now at 150 instead of the 140 section. And सबसे important, brakes, which is my favorite because it's absolutely brilliant. For a 320 mm rotor front setup running on 2 piston calipers and a 230 mm rear running a single pot, I can pretty much confidently say Bajaj has really grown up the ladder on the brake bite, which is no lesser than a super bike running a Brembo cost Corta. Interestingly, ये सारे top spec features are coming at a very good value for money proposition. जो अब ये चार्ट दिखाता है कि the NS is costing the least per BHP than players not just in its segment, but some from far above and below as well. Hats off, Bajaj. Now, yes, there are quite a lot of plus points for the new Bajaj Pulsar MS 400 UG offspring, but not without its sketches. For example, although the rider seat is surprisingly comfy for short rides, the cushioning may be suspect for long ones. The engine power delivery also has a few flat spots in all the 4 ECU maps, specifically between 2500 to 3500 RPM. And before I forget, the ignition is a tad slow to recover from hitting the rev limiters, which is now at 10,500 to 10,700 odd, which is not that difficult to hit considering the low readability of the tachometer. Oh, and yes, the engine feels a tad slumpy in rev response up to 4000 RPM and needs a whole truckload of revs to 7K to get a clean launch. The fuel tank, as well, is quite small at 12 liters, limiting the range between tank ups. But that may be okay considering the positioning of this bike as a street fighter.